step into a world of peace, wisdom, and transformation. At the Pyramid Meditation Center in Atlanta, we offer more than just a space. We provide an experience, a sacred sanctuary where meditation sessions guide you into deep stillness and clarity. Spiritual wisdom workshops unlock ancient knowledge for modern life. Sound bath programs immerse you in healing vibrations. Kids' meditation sessions nurture mindfulness from an early age. Grand spiritual celebrations unite hearts in joy and devotion. Fun-filled activities blend laughter with profound spiritual lessons. This is not just a center, it's a movement, a place where seekers become finders and peace becomes a way of life.